Welcome to our channel. If you want to unsubscribe from Spotify Premium, follow these step-by-step instructions to easily cancel your membership. Step 1. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to spotify.com. Log in with your account credentials. Step 2. Click on your profile icon in the upper right corner, then select Account from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. Scroll down to the Your Plan section, where you can see details about your current Spotify Premium subscription. Step 4. Click on Change Plan or Manage Plan to view your subscription options and cancellation settings. Step 5. Look for the Cancel Premium option at the bottom of the page and click it to start the cancellation process. Step 6. Spotify may present you with alternative plans or offers. If you still want to cancel, click Continue or Cancel Anyway. Step 7. Select a reason for cancelling from the drop-down menu if prompted, or skip this step if optional. Step 8. Confirm your cancellation by clicking the final Cancel Subscription button. You'll receive a confirmation email, and your premium access will continue until the end of your current billing period. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.